all of you. Today I will taught you divisibility rule. Okay. With this divisibility rule, you have understand which number is divided by which number. Okay. Like if you want to know, for example, I give you a number and I told you, is it divided by 2 or not? So how can you find out it is divided by 2 or not without solve it? Okay. So there is some divisibility rule which is help you to know the that is which one number is divided by which number. Okay. So we started from 2. If the divisibility rule of 2 is if any number which have even number on the place of ones, that like the number the number is divisible by 2 if its last digit is an even number. So first we know that what is even number. Okay, even number is 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. All these are even number. Okay, these are only single digit even number, but this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digit number. Okay, अब मुझे बताओ कि is this even number or not? How we find out it? We look the last number. Okay, it is on ones place. Okay, we look at the ones place. If there is on the ones place, if there is even number, that means this whole number is even number. Okay, so this number is divisible by 2. Why? Because at the last of this number there is even number. So ये number पूरा 2 से divide होगा क्योंकि last place पर even number है. Okay? So I am giving you 7 digit, 9 digit. You have to just check what is the number at the last position. If there is even number, that means this whole number is divided by 2. If there is odd number, like there is 9, so that one is odd number. Yes, because 9 one is odd. 9 is odd. So this whole number is odd number. So this number is not divided by 2. Okay, so what is the divisibility rule of 2? The number is divisible by 2 if its last digit is an even number. Okay. Now move forward to 3. If we want to know which number is divided by 3, how we know it? Like you have a number 3, 7, 9, 4. Okay. Now we want to know it is divided by 3 or not. So what we should do? We add all these numbers. 3 plus 7 plus 9 plus 4. Okay. So 3 plus 7 is 10. Okay. 10 plus 9 is 19. 19 plus 4 is 23. So 23 is come in the 3's table. 23 is come? No. That means this number is not divided by 3. If any number, something like there is 5, okay? There is 5. Then we add all these numbers. What is come here? 24. 24 is come in 3 tables. Yes, that means this whole number is divided by 3. Clear? Now move to divisibility rule of 4. Divisibility rule of 4 is we have to look last 2 digits. We have to look last 2 digits. if these two digits is come in table of 4, that means all this whole number is divisible by 4. Okay, last two digit is 24, and 24 is come in 4 table of 4. Yes, 4 6 are 24. That means this whole number is divisible by 4. Okay, look at this, 36, 24. If we divided 4, 4 9s are 36. 2, but it's not solved. Then we add 0. Then it's come 4. 4 6 are 24. Look, remainder is 0. That means this whole number is divisible by 4. Okay. Now move forward for the divisibility rule of 5. Divisibility rule of 5 is very simple. You have to check that on the ones place, or on the last position, you have to got 0 or 5. If there is 0 or 5, that means this whole number is divided by 5. Okay, you have to check only two numbers. Which one? 0 and 5. That's it. If there is in the last is 0 or 5, that means this whole number is divided by 5. Okay. Next is divisibility rule of 6. In divisibility rule of 6, you have to check if any number is divided by 2 or 3, both. Okay, if any number is divided by both 2 and 3, then it is easily divisible by 6. But if any number is divided by only 2, not with 3, then that number is not divided by 6. Okay, what we need? Any number which is divisible by 2 and 3 both. It is divisible by 6 also. Okay, कोई भी नंबर 2 और 3 दोनों से डिवाइड हो रहा है तो वो 6 से भी इजीली डिवाइड होगा. अगर कोई भी नंबर सिर्फ 3 से हो रहा है, 2 से नहीं हो रहा है, तो वो 6 से भी नहीं होगा. ओके, सो दैट्स इट फॉर टुडे क्लासेस. Okay, so I think you can understand, and for you divide is very easy from today now. Okay.